to check the TeamDeck app. So first of all, go to the level of marketplace and there search TeamDeck and then install it. So if you want to install it on all the location, then install on the agency. Otherwise, you can also install it on a particular location as well. Like here, if you will install on agency, it will install on all the locations. And these are the locations you can also install there, like singly. So first of all, we are installed on there, like on all the locations. So I proceeded. So it will take some time to install it. So after the message like app is successfully installed like this, so the app is installed. So now go to the location level. So I'm going to location Ali and here, so first of all there will be a custom page like this one. Click on it and there will be team deck like here. So you will click on configure button and there you need to put the API key. So first of all you need an account of team deck. So here I already create an account of team deck. So click on setting for the API key. I think we are already on the settings. So go to settings first and after this you need to click on integration and here is the API keys. So here make sure you selected the scope read plus write and then click on this button. Sorry, you need to pass the name and click on this button. After this you will get a token and you need to paste here like submit. So after this your credentials have been saved and your app is configured successfully. So on the automation you will get all the actions of it, like create a workflow and then make a workflow builder and use this application. Thank you.